Cache Radio is a feature of Toyota's available display audio system, which incorporates an easy-to-use touchscreen. It records 20 minutes of any AM or FM program for later enjoyment in the event of interruptions, and functions much like the PVR system you may use with your TV cable box. Cache Radio records the last 20 minutes from the station you're listening to. If, for example, your program is interrupted by a phone call, you can return to it at the point where you left off. Cache Radio is always operating and constantly recording AM or FM broadcasts. Please note, Cache Radio does not work with XM satellite radio. It can pause, fast forward, or rewind live music. To use Cache Radio, first turn the radio on and select the AM or FM station you wish to listen to using the combination of buttons and touchscreen. Touch the pause icon at the bottom of the screen and the cache controls appear. You can press play to return to the program at the point where you were interrupted. You can also press and hold rewind or fast forward to reach any part of the content that has been recorded so far, or skip ahead or back in the broadcast conveniently by 2 minutes using these icons. To listen to the broadcast in real time, touch the live icon on the screen. If you make or receive a phone call during the cache replay, it automatically pauses until you've finished your conversation. If the call lasts longer than your 20 minutes cache capacity, it will resume playback from where the cache recording began. The cache empties automatically to make room for new content whenever you switch channels or wavebands or turn the vehicle off. The features and functions described in this video might not be applicable to your Toyota model. Thanks for watching this Know Your Toyota video.